guys, my name is Teresa and welcome to my channel. Today's video is I'm gonna show you the tools that I use at my work. Talking about my work, I'm actually a hibachi chef or a teppanyaki chef who like cook in front of the customer and like do the entertainment stuff like flipping the spatula, flipping the fork, or making volcanoes and a lot of stuff. So I just wanna show you what I use, and I brought all my stuff today at home because today is my off and I wanna clean them. I think today is the time for me to like clean all my stuff. So this is my bag. It's like a tool bag. I use it as my work bag. It's all metal, so it's good to have like a good quality of a bag. So first, it's kind of gross but I already emptied this, so we use this for oil, and it's already empty, but I'm gonna wash it and put it here. I have I have shaker for pepper and salt. Look at that. I know it's kind of gross. I have this like for sesame seed to make fried rice. Look how gross is that. There's still a little bit more, but I'm gonna clean this one. And some metal tray. And also I have my spatula, a big one for fried rice, and then this is my fork. This one is the one I always use like for tricks, like you can do like that's one of my tricks, like my introduction. And also I have my knife handle, and this is my knife. It's pretty sharp and look, it's dirty. Yeah, I haven't cleaned it, and I also need to clean the inside. You shouldn't play with this, but it's dangerous. But this is how I wear my belt with a knife. You know, it's like a John Wayne. I have my sharpening knife, so I sharpen my knife like this. For me as a chef, knife is my best friend, and also you should always sharpen your knife. It makes your job easier if you have a sharpened knife. That's like very important as a chef. You need to have a really sharp knife. Well, I have an extra belt. Wait, I have extra belt. I have 2 lighters. Okay, I have 2, and I have this one. Actually, this is a vodka. So like whenever I light my onion volcano, I put oil and the vodka and then light it up. And I have my name tag. Just say Ma. It's my name, but well, my name is Ma Teresa. My boss just called me Ma, and all my workmates also call me Ma, so now I'm Ma. Like every time I introduce myself to the customer, like konnichiwa, my name is Ma. So it's kinda Ma, like short, too short, but it's fine. I have some wet wipes, just to poo poo, to pee pee, and I have some lipstick. So sometimes you need to be presentable to the customer, that like even though you're tied to your job and you look like pretty cute. some paper, and I have my headset. During like every break, I go outside and talk to my husband. I just use this or listen to the music. I have some sunnies. Oh shit, so dirty. Smells bad. Wash. Okay, sunnies. And I have another thing for my belt. I have 3 of these already. I don't know why. I have some snacks, you know. Even though I'm a chef, there's a lot of food, but sometimes you forgot to eat. So, like, house key. What else? I think that's pretty much it. So, yeah. That's pretty much it. So, I'm gonna put it back in my bag, and I'm gonna go to the dishwasher and wash these babies. Yeah. So now I'm here in my kitchen. So I'm gonna turn on my dishwasher, clean my stuff, my work stuff, and my art house stuff. Organize my kitchen because it's kind of messy. Alright, yeah, that's pretty much it, and that's like the tools or what's inside my bag as hibachi chef. So thank you for watching, and if you did like the video that I made, please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.